Hell hath no fury like a woman scorned. I want to tell you a story of where we are and how we got here. And how one man vowed to change it all.
This scares me because it reminds me the lives of my family were claimed by the floods.
The pain was so unbearable that I vowed to never allow something like this to happen again. That's why I do what I do.
The story starts with the most beautiful girl ever seen. Her name was Mother Nature. Her father was so rich, so wealthy, that he gave her the whole of planet Earth to live in and to nourish the human beings on Earth. Ages, this mutual relationship thrived, till one day it didn't. The human beings changed. They started cutting her hair and exhaled toxic and poisonous gases. They filled the rivers with the products of these structures. They burned down her shelter. The girl, now woman, grew weak of ill health as a result of all the stripping down she had endured. Desperation slowly morphed into anger. From all the unheard cries of help to the bruised and beaten shell of a body that now remained. The efforts to heal that wounded body is a burden and responsibility for all of us to shoulder. Make Mother Nature happy and we will all be happy.
I am really trying my best, but I could really use your help in mitigating the climate change.
Hell hath no fury like a woman scorned.